Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I got a TikTok shop microphone for your phone. So yeah, let's unbox it and see what it's all about. Oh, rather, this is the box that it came in. Came in like this. Let me read the back first. Plug and play, 20 meters. Wow. Clear. I can't even read these because it's covered by the things. Made in China, of course. 4 Type C. 1 to 2. Oh, I got 2 of them. I just realized that. Interview, vlog, short video, live show, wireless, lavalier, I don't know what the hell that says, microphone, wireless. Alright, let's unbox it now. Okay. Yo, this is pretty sick. So we got the charger, I'm guessing the clips for the microphone to clip onto your shirt, and then the wireless receiver, the actual microphone. It's so soft and fuzzy, guys. Okay, now I might have a... Okay, great. Where's the mic? Oh, it's right here. How do I put this back on? Alright, got it back on. And then here's the other mic. And here are the other... I'm guessing these are also... Yeah, these are the other mic covers I probably won't even use. So yeah, I'm gonna see if this has charge. Oh shoot, look! It has charge, guys. Let's see about the other one. Oh, they both have charge. Let's go. Anyway, guys, I'll get back to you when I get everything set up. So yeah. Yo, what's up, guys? So basically, I'm on my phone now. I got the wireless receiver right here, and I'll be plugging it in right now. So yeah, it's plugged in now. I don't know if it works, but yeah. Testing. Does it work? Anyways, guys, so basically I switched to my mom's phone because my phone actually didn't work. I don't know why, but I just tested it a second ago and it sounds really good. Hello. Hello. Ow, my foot. Just stepped on a roll of tape. Ow. Anyways, it should still be working because I said 20 meters of connection. So yeah. Does it still work? I think it does. Guys, I don't know. Like, I don't know if you guys think this is worth it, but this is, oh my god. This is pretty cool though. Like, this is pretty sick. I'm gonna go to the other room now.
Hello.
Yeah, that was my sister, all the way in the other room.
You're not recording this.
I am recording this. Yes, I am. Da, 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 da.
What?
Wow, if this is still connected, that is insane because I'm all the way across the house. That would actually be insane. Alright, I'm going back to the phone. Does it still work? Is it still connected? Oh my god. Alright, so basically, this was a success. This, microphone does work, so yeah. Yeah. I don't know what else to say. I'll put the link for this microphone to buy it in the description. So yeah, yeah, if you guys want to buy it, the link is in the description. So yeah, peace out, guys. See you in the next video.